When hurricanes destroy power grids, heat waves disable AC systems, and wildfires threaten homes, a blackout isn't just inconvenient, it's life-threatening. The Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus is essential for powering your must-have devices during an outage, keeping your food cold, your devices charged, and your family safe. Essential home backup means providing power only to the most important appliances or systems during an outage, not the entire house. It's a more affordable and practical option for many, focusing on critical needs without the cost of a whole home backup system.
In this video, we'll explore the 5000 Plus's key features, how to use them, how to set it up as an automatic home backup system, and how to pick the best setup for your needs. Let's dive in. Let's start with unboxing the 5000 Plus.
The accessories in the package include an AC charging cable, an MC4 wrench, and a product manual. The AC charging cable is used to charge the main unit through common wall outlets, and the MC4 wrench will be used when the high voltage PV is disconnected. The product manual contains detailed 5000 Plus settings and operating instructions to help you get started quickly. Now let's take a look at the Jackery 5000 Plus main unit. It uses Jackery's classic black and orange design, with a 94V0 fireproof shell. Jackery's 5000 Plus is the lightest 5 kWh product in the industry, weighing 132 pounds, which is comparable to 4 kWh products. It has handles on the top and bottom, which makes it convenient for 1 or 2 people to move. It also has a 4-wheel system to help the product move easily on flat ground. The collapsible pull rod on the top and the wheel system can meet the mobility needs of complex terrain.
Next, let's take a look at the Jackery 500X solar panel.
Upon opening the package, you will first see the user manual and a storage bag.
The package contains 6 85-watt solar panels. Each 85-watt solar panel is bifacial. The screw holes on the frame and the Anderson output and input ports on the junction box are used for multiple connections.
For accessories, there are 10 joints, 42 screws, and a screwdriver for mechanical assembly between 6 panels. In addition, there are 8 ground nails and a 5-meter connecting cable for connecting solar panels and energy storage devices. You also got 2 silicone plugs to prevent rain and dust from entering the unused Anderson input ports. When you connect 6 85-watt solar panels, you can assemble a 500-watt solar array. By the way, a storage bag is also included with the product, so you can easily carry the 500X and its accessories anywhere.
Now let's take a look at another important accessory of Jackery 5000 Plus, the Smart Transfer Switch, hereinafter referred to as the STS.
The beautiful appearance of the STS adopts a classic and simple black design. The accessories include installation hangers and fixing screws for fixing the STS to the wall or other locations. The package also comes with accessories such as energy storage power cord, positioning hole paper, manual quick guide, and line sequence sticker to ensure a smooth installation process. Finally, let's unbox the battery pack. The battery pack has the same black and orange appearance as the 5000 Plus and the same 94V0 fireproof shell. The top also includes a handle designed to make it more portable. The accessories include a user manual and an expansion cable for connecting the battery pack to the 5000 Plus. When the battery pack is connected to the 5000 Plus, it can increase the product's backup duration and store more energy. A single 5000 Plus can connect up to 5 battery packs.
Now I'll demonstrate the operation of the 5000 Plus.
We can see that there are 4 buttons on the front, which control the total power supply, AC port, DC port, and USB function respectively. There are 4 AC output ports on the front with a total output power of 7,200 watts. The output power can support the supply of all core devices in the home and ensure the stable power supply of the home circuit during the disaster. There are 2 USB-A ports, each with 18 watts. There are also 2 USB-C ports, each with 100 watts. The cigarette lighter port is 120 watts. Different ports can be connected to different devices to meet different power needs. Of course, this exquisite LCD screen is worth mentioning. You can use it to understand information such as power levels, input power, output power, etc. Go to the left side of 5000 Plus. You can see the parallel port on the top, which is connected to STS through the parallel line, with an output power of 7,200 watt and a charging power of 4,000 watt, realizing intelligent backup power for the core load of the home. MEMA L14-30R and MEMA 14-50 are both 120 volts and 240 volts output ports, and a single port can output 7,200 watts, which can power 240 volts high power loads such as electric ovens, induction cookers, water heaters, dryers, water pumps, etc. At the same time, power is supplied to household loads through the inlet box and manual TS. At the end, we have the AC output reset button. When the button pops up, you need to remove the load and then press the reset button. The 5000 Plus has 4 interfaces on the right side. The high PV interface uses MC4 and supports a voltage range of 135 to 450 volts, with a maximum input of 4000 watts and a fast charging time of 1.7 hours, less than the length of a movie. It has 3 states, on, off, and lock. When connecting or disconnecting the MC4, ensure the switch is off. For safety, you can lock the switch when not in use. The low PV interface uses 80/20 and accepts solar input between 16 volts to 60 volts with a maximum power of 1200 watts and a charging time of about 5 hours. It also supports an 11 volts to 16 volts car charger input, taking around 71 hours to charge. High PV and low PV can be used together, with a total input of 4000 watts and a charging time of 1.7 hours. The AC input port supports a maximum of 1800 watt with a charging time of about 3.5 hours. The DC expansion port supports 80.5 volts to 126 volts max and is compatible with Type A expansion cables. Next, let's introduce the combination button functions. These functions are commonly used in everyday life. When we press the power and the USB buttons at the same time for 3 seconds, we can reset the Wi-Fi module and restart the system. Press the USB and the AC buttons for 1 second to turn on or off the Wi-Fi Bluetooth icon on the display. Press the power and AC combination button for 3 seconds to turn on or off the low power mode. Press the DC and the AC output button for 3 seconds at the same time to switch to UPS mode.
We're now entering the connection guide of the 5000 Plus and STS. Some users may be confused about why they need to connect STS. In fact, different usage methods correspond to different groups of people with different needs.
When using the 5000 Plus alone, although we can power home appliances through the AC port, it requires manual power switching and cannot achieve perfect integration with home circuits.
After connecting to an STS, it can achieve seamless integration with the home circuit, save money by taking advantage of the peak valley price difference, realize automatic power backup and intelligent switching, and ensure uninterrupted home electricity use. To ensure safety, we recommend one of 2 ways to install the STS. The first method, you can hire a professional electrician yourself, and the electrician can complete the installation according to the installation guide provided by Jackery. The STS user guide and installation videos are available on our website for your reference. We highly recommend contacting Jackery for installation-related knowledge before proceeding with the installation. The second method, you can also use the installation service recommended by Jackery for STS installation. The service includes the electrician's initial on-site assessment and their second visit to complete the installation, with the cost included in the service quote. First, you need to fill out the online installation request form. After completing the form, our staff will contact you within 1 working day to schedule an on-site assessment. After the assessment, we will discuss the specific installation quote with you and confirm whether to proceed with the installation. If installation is not required, you only need to settle the on-site assessment fee. If installation is confirmed, we will schedule and confirm the installation time with you. Please note that the entire installation process takes about 3 to 8 hours, so please allocate enough time in advance. Detailed installation steps and specifications can be found in the official guide on our website.
Let's go over the usage for solar panels.
Let's start with assembly. Position the solar panel upright with the junction box facing up to avoid damaging the cables.
When connecting the first and second panels, attach the hinge to the back. Then screw in from the front to secure them. For the third panel, attach the hinge to the front and screw in from the back. Repeat until all 6 panels are assembled. To connect the circuit, link the Anderson output port on the left panel to the Anderson input port on the right panel. For the last panel in the array, insert a silicone plug into the unused Anderson input port for waterproofing and dust protection. Once assembled, fully unfold the Jackery Solar Saga 500X at a 35 degrees angle to the ground, and avoid applying pressure to prevent damage. For long-term use on soft ground, secure the Jackery Solar Saga 500X with ground stakes. Before securing, use a compass to determine direction and position the array east-west for maximum efficiency. During use, connect the Anderson input port to the array's Anderson output port using the 5-meter cable. Then plug the DC 8020 output into the 5000 plus low voltage DC input. If the panels are too far from the 5000 plus, users can purchase a Jackery extension cable as needed.
Now let's go over the Jackery app operation guide. First, download the Jackery app. You can either scan the QR code on screen or search Jackery in the App Store or Google Play.
Jackery 5000 Plus supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. Please note that Wi-Fi passwords do not support special characters. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the instructions to bind the device. Jackery 5000 Plus supports 2 UPS modes, online mode and backup mode. You can enable online or backup mode via the mobile app. In online UPS mode, it operates at 120 volts and 3600 watts with a 0 millisecond switching time, ensuring seamless power transfer. This mode delivers high power quality, making it ideal for sensitive devices like desktop PCs, breathing machines, and servers. In backup UPS mode, it runs at 120 volts and up to 1440 watts with a 20 millisecond switching time and consumes less power than online UPS mode. 20 millisecond is fast enough for an uninterrupted experience with most household appliances, including fridges, computers, lights, and Wi-Fi routers. Additionally, you can also enable silent mode or energy saving mode. Silent mode keeps charging noise below 30 decibel, ensuring a quiet environment for you and your family to sleep undisturbed. Jackery now offers a scheduled charging feature. Use the app to set charge times to optimize electricity costs. Before emergencies, store energy with scheduled charging and use it during outages to keep essential devices running. In energy saving mode, the device automatically turns off the output when idle to conserve power.
When it comes to choosing the perfect 5000 plus solution, it all depends on your needs. Jackery provides 3 main packages you can choose from. First, we have the Essential Home Backup Kit 5000 Plus, which includes a 5000 Plus, a smart transfer switch, and 2 500X solar panels. If you're in need of an automatic backup system that will power all your critical circuits, this is the solution for you. With a smart transfer switch that allows you to connect your essential rooms to the 5000 Plus directly, your appliances in these rooms are automatically backed up during a power outage, making sure your food is cold and your devices are powered. Not only does this setup give you emergency value, but it can also provide you value on a daily basis. Furthermore, with our app, you can set up daily schedules to switch over to battery backup during peak electricity price hours. The Essential Home Backup Kit 5000 Plus requires installation and is the most premium solution of the 5000 Plus series, but provides the most features and gives you the best user experience. Next, we have the SolarGenerator 5000 Plus, which includes a 5000 Plus and 1 500X solar panel. The SolarGenerator 5000 Plus is ready to use upon arrival. It's plug-and-play friendly, which means you can start powering all your devices with no additional installation or setup hassle. This package is perfect for those that want to avoid the hassle of installing the unit, but still want all the benefits of the base unit. It's suitable for users who have specific devices they want backed up, rather than entire rooms. The SolarGenerator 5000 Plus also comes with the option of adding additional panels, making it a rechargeable solution in the event of an outage. With built-in wheels and a portable design, it's ideal for those who constantly need power on the go. Lastly, you can also purchase a single 5000 Plus. The 5000 Plus as a standalone unit is the most cost-efficient solution of the 5000 Plus series. If you're looking for an entry-level model to get started on your home backup, this is the solution for you. As an independent battery backup solution, it boasts an incredible output and capacity, providing you hours and hours of usage in the event of an outage, even without solar panels. All the solutions provided above can have their capacities expanded with the Jackery Battery Pack 5000 Plus, so don't worry about not having the perfect capacity after your initial purchase. The above is the complete video introduction of how to use the Jackery 5000 Plus. If you have any questions, you can contact our professional customer service team or check the manual online. Thank you for watching and goodbye.